What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Yeti Cards 509 here. Today I made another stop at my LCS and I picked up a box of Optic basketball. I also picked up some other cards that are just for my personal collection. I was going to show you guys, and here's what I got. Got this Devontae Adams Prestige Blue Parallel 99 out of 249. Just a nice little cheap buy I got. Nothing too crazy in this lot. I got this cool Prism Scantling card. Another cool little pickup. Also picked up these Charles Woodson little cool helmet cards. There's another one. The Greg Jennings. Then I picked up this Jamal Williams. It's a 19 out of 25. Cross training rookies and stars. Nice patch, 3-color patch going on there. Really like this card. Picked that up for a pretty cheap deal. Also got another Devontae Adams rookie from Topps Chrome. Always a good pickup when I can get a cheap Devontae Adams rookie, so ain't complaining. And then I picked up this basketball card. Kevin Durant Rookie Sensations. Sonics. It's nice to pick up one of these, so pretty good deal on it. So, and then I also picked up this Rui Hachimura out of basketball. I really like to collect just for my personal collection, like Gonzaga guys like Rui, Brandon Clark, Jalen Suggs, those type of guys. So I got a couple of his cards graded. I think I got another one stashed over here, so I like collecting his cards. So got one of those, and then I also have this Kobe White. Here's this Prism, nice little patch, cracked ice. So out of 10. So all right, well, crack into this Optic. Hopefully I could hit something pretty nice out of here. Optic, 7 inserts. So we'll see. So out of this blaster box, get 28 cards out of it. Get a nice rated rookie or something. Hopefully we pull like a rated rookie Lamelo or something. So the last couple basketball boxes I've opened have had some pretty good luck hitting the Lamelo. So hopefully we can continue that maybe. Got our packs here. Nice packs. Here's what the packs look like. Alright. Let's see, on to the first pack. Here we go. Alright. First card, Karl Anthony Towns. Got DeMar DeRozan. Rated rookie, Daniel Arturo. And then insert, T- insert, Zion. Cool little insert. Turn next one. First card. Got rated rookie, Obi Toppin. CJ McCollum. Then Nikola Jokic, My House insert. It's a pretty cool insert. Next pack. Let's go. Come on, let's get that Lameloball. Got silver in there. Kevin Huerter. Michael Porter Jr. Really like just the way these Optic cards look. So Nick Richards rated rookie. And then this is our silver. Tim Hardaway Jr. silver. Optic. Come on. 3 more packs. We got to hit a Lamelo here. Something on the back there. Let's see. So we got JJ Redick. Josh Green rated a rookie. There goes those. And then we got James Harden splash insert. These inserts are really cool. I like these. Nice little insert. So we got 2 more packs. I'll just move those to the side. Or no, we got 3 more packs. Alright. Got it backwards. Julius Randle. Marvin Bagley. Jaden McDaniels, rated rookie. And then we got a blue DeAndre Ayton. It's a nice little blue parallel. I got wrappers going all around me, opening a bunch of cards lately, so like I said in past videos, it's been almost impossible to find cards in retail almost. So maybe I think I might start doing a little bit more baseball, because it's been about the easiest thing I could find. Every now and then basketball and football's kind of next to impossible, or football is next to impossible to find. So there's a Brandon Clark. It's one of those Gonzaga guys I will get. And looks under that, we had a Lameloball. Nice. That's a good one to get. Rated rookie Lameloball. Nice. That's always good. I got a nice little collection of those Lamelos. And then we got a Tobias. Put him back here. Tobias Harris. And then we got another insert, Express Lane, Kyrie Irving. Nice. Last pack. Let's see if we can get some last pack magic going on here. Get lucky. Hit like a silver Lamelo. Kyle Lowry. Got Miles Bridges. Then we got a Tyler Bay rated rookie. And then we got another Jason Williams, Express Lane. Let's see. Yeah, this is the first time I've opened a box of Optic. These cards look really nice. I was pretty excited to get a box. Might have to go back and get another box or two, because these are really nice. So we'll just go back through a little bit. Show this guy off. Lameloball, rated rookie. That's always a nice hit. I'm pretty excited to get that one. Looks like there might be like a little scuff. A little dot up there. What is that? Oh, is that supposed to be on there? It's like a ball. Yeah, like a little basketball printed on there. Nice. Oh, you can see my reflection. Lameloball. Always nice to get one of those. So, and then, yeah, that's pretty much it for the video today, guys. Y'all could leave a like and hit that subscribe button if you would, please. And you know, leave a comment down in the thing. Again, I think last time I asked, let me know who you guys are rooting for in the Super Bowl, and hope you guys all have a good rest of your day. Thank you.